Get rid of ticks, do it all naturally. You guys asked for it. I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig, howtopest.com. You guys that saw our tick video, a lot of you asked, what about all natural ways to do that? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to do that, how to supersize your tick and even mosquito treatments. Guys, if you look right here on the table, I have the two pieces of equipment that I'm going to use today. I am going to use a fogger right here that we have, a gas-powered fogger, and I am going to use the Flow Zone, which you have seen me use in previous videos. This is a battery-powered backpack sprayer, 4-gallon. Do you need these two products? No, but in my opinion, if you have large areas to treat, then you are going to want some type of fogger, and if you don't have a gas-powered fogger and you want an alternative, jump over to Lowe's, guys, and they have a Cobalt battery-powered fogger. Now, battery-powered foggers, it's the wave of the future, guys. In my next fogger, it's going to be a battery-powered fogger. Gas are just a pain in the butt, especially like this, 2-stroke. Are they very powerful and great for large areas? Heck yeah. This thing is an animal, but most of you are not going to spend the money to buy one of these. That Cobalt one over at Lowe's, and there's other places that have them. I just think Cobalt, the one at Lowe's, the Cobalt one is a 2.5 gallon, I think, and it's about 130 bucks. If you're going to do this all the time, grab yourself one of those. You will not be sorry. Same thing with the backpack sprayer, guys. If you don't have one, we sell the Flow Zone at howtopest.com. You don't have to buy that one. It's just a professional grade one because it's tried and true. There are other backpack sprayers out there. So whichever works best for your situation. Now, can you use, let's say for tick treatments on lawns like you see me standing on right now, can you use a backpack pump sprayer like a Birchmeier, you pros out there, or just a over-the-counter one that you've grabbed on Amazon or you've grabbed at your local hardware store? Yes, they work. We're just talking about convenience, and if you need to cover a lot of area or you do this all the time. Now, let me talk about all the time. Mosquito and tick treatments, they are not one and dones. You are going to have to do them all the time. And mosquito treatments, every 2 to 4 weeks. Tick treatments, it's going to be about the same, guys. But today, I'm going to show you an all-natural way that works extremely well in taking care of these ticks and mosquitoes. And the first product we're using today, guys, is right here, and the camera sees this. I'm going to have them come in close. This is EcoVia MT. Now, you've heard me talk about EcoVia in the past. It is a botanical, it's an all-natural, and they have the regular EcoVia, I believe it is EC, and it kills a plethora of bugs. It is labeled for indoors, outdoors, and it has a broad label. Does it kill mosquitoes? Yes. Does it kill ticks? Yes, but it is not specifically formulated for that. So, Rockwell Labs came out with EcoVia, I'm going to grab this, MT, which stands for Mike Tyson, you know, knockout punch. No, it doesn't stand for Mike Tyson. It stands for mosquito tick. This is labeled for mosquito tick, and they left out the F, flies. But today's video, mosquitoes and ticks, guys. You know, like I mentioned in the previous video, or you don't know, ticks are running rampant this year. Guys, mosquitoes are every year. Ticks are every year. Some years are worse than others, but ticks are bad this year. And guys, they have that alpha gal. Now, I am learning more about alpha gal from you guys and your comments that you give me than I even know about it. So I'm learning as I go, but you do not want to catch alpha gal. Is this a scared tactic video? No, it's facts. It's out there. You can protect yourself, or you can think I'm just selling you propaganda. You got to get rid of them one way or the other, and you got to protect yourself. I'm going to give you a version and an option of how to do that. Now, in my program today, I am going to recommend Nygaard. Nygaard is an IGR. If you guys don't know what an IGR is, here's Nygaard for you for the camera. Nygaard is, and all IGRs, are some of the safest pesticides you can use for not only yourself, but pets, because the way it affects the nervous system of the insects does not affect the nervous system of humans or pets. So one of the safest alternatives that you can use as far as pesticides go. And the reason I'm going to recommend adding the IGR in for the mosquitoes and the ticks is because it stops the reproduction cycle. So those that don't die and then they hatch, they can no longer reproduce if you add an IGR. So it is kind of like a Mike Tyson 1-2 punch. Now, some of his punches were one. If you know, you know. But guys, Nygaard is labeled for Lone Star ticks. Will it kill other ticks? Possibly, but it's not labeled for anything besides Lone Star ticks. So keep that in mind when using IGRs if you decide to add that to your mixture of choice. Today's mixture of choice is going to be EC, like I said, EcoVia MT. Now, guys, it is labeled for indoors in unfinished structures. What does that mean? Not in your house where you live. It's basically talking about sheds, garages, things like that. But typically, this product is labeled for outdoors. Like I said, it does kill flies, but not in this video. Now, what's the mix rate on EcoVia MT? I want to keep this simple, guys. The label for mosquitoes is 0.83 per 1 gallon of water, and that'll treat about 2,500 square feet. I'm going to tell you just go 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water, and then it goes up from there. Because if you can see on this bottle, guys, this is a tip and pour bottle. But do you see what it's doing there? It's giving you ounces. It's not giving you these millimeters, these break it down and figure out where half an ounce is. I think this does have half an ounce. It does have half an ounce right there. But it's not giving you 0.33. It's not giving you 0.66. So make it easy on yourself and go 1 for 1 on that. Now, ticks, it's going to be 1 for 1. 1 ounce of this, 1 gallon of water, guys, and this goes a long ways. Now, I'm going to put this, we've already mixed this product in both these tanks, guys. I wanted to start by mentioning this, PPE. I mention this in all my videos, guys, and if I don't, it should be in all my videos. PPE is what you see that I have on right now. It's long sleeve, it's long pants, it's shoes, it's right here my hat, and it's goggles, guys. These are my work goggles. You can wear sunglasses. I've mentioned that. And last but not least, you want your gloves, your chemical resistant gloves. Now, on the label for EC, or I keep saying EC, the EcoVia MT, it is gloves and glasses. They don't give you anything else that I just spoke about. But why would you not protect yourself? I don't care if it's all natural. There's a chance it could burn skin. You might have a bad reaction to an all-natural botanical. Now, what's the difference between the EC? Why do I keep saying EC? The EcoVia and MT and the normal EcoVia, they've changed up the botanicals, things that affect ticks and mosquitoes more. One of the main ingredients is going to be lemon oil. It's going to be citronella oil. And I think it's going to be soybean oil. I think that's one of them. But the main one is the lemongrass oil. And then the other one, EcoVia, the normal, is like a rosemary, thyme, and things like that. So they mix it up a little bit on this one to gear it more towards the ticks and the mosquitoes. Okay, in your sprayers, guys, I don't care what the sprayer is of choice, make sure you have a filter like this. It filters out all the gunk that doesn't dilute in the water, so it doesn't get into your spray system itself and clog your hoses. Now, I want to talk about something else about all naturals. You pros already know this. You DIYers probably do not. All naturals do a number on gaskets and seals. They'll eat them up over time, guys. It just happens. So the best thing to do is when you're done using an all-natural chemical is to flush your tanks out, and to flush it out with just water 1 or 2 times, and then you store your tank, and you will be happy in the future. The other thing about EcoVia MT, you need to use this within 12 hours. This is not a mix it in the tank, let it sit overnight, and come out and use it the next day. It's going to break down and not have the effect that the manufacturer wants us to have. So you have to use this within 12 hours, and you want to kind of continue to agitate as you use it. So I'm going to break this off right here, guys, and this is what we are going to use for the mosquito treatment. We're going to fire this bad boy up, and we're going to show you how you should apply for mosquito treatment. If I can find my bulb there. Okay guys, this thing is fired up. Hopefully you can hear me just fine. But when you do mosquito treatments, you have to do it until runoff. So you need this stuff dripping off the leaves. Mosquitoes are typically going to be 6 feet and below. You got to cover the leaves on the trees underneath, and the same with the bushes and any of the foliage that they may be hiding in. Let me go ahead and fire this thing up. I'll show you what I mean. Now, do you guys see this starting to drip off right here? That's what you want. Same thing with over here. Everything needs to be to the point of runoff with mosquitoes. And then you just continue along. Now, do you guys see how much this carries? Look at how much that carries. All up in there. So a powerful fogger like this one, it's going to carry a long ways. And that's what you want. But remember, the main thing, get all the areas and make sure it's until it's dripping off. That's for the label, guys, and EcoVia MT. Okay, that's it for the fogging, guys, but you get the gist of it for mosquitoes. Now we're going to put this down, and I'm going to show you the trick for the ticks. Guys, understand ticks typically do not just hang out in open lawn areas like this that's cut down really low. If it's really high and overgrown, yes, you can have ticks. And you can have it when it's really low because they get dropped by animals, by pets, things like that as they walk through the area. Now, here's the funny thing, guys. I'm human. I make mistakes. You know, when I do these videos, you can tell they're unscripted. I just speak from my mind and give you the information that I know about the product. Now, I did the tick video, guys, and somehow I said, when you go through, the ticks jump on you. Ticks don't jump. I understand they don't jump. I was speaking so fast, I just said jump. Ticks do, like many of you out there that saw that and corrected me, and thank you for that. They do what's called questing. They basically hang on to a tree, a brush, a blade of grass, whatever. They reach out with their front legs. You walk through, the animal walks through, they grab on, and now they take a ride on that host that they're going to suck that blood out of. Guys, that's how they go. They do not jump. Craig has been corrected. Where Craig was right, where Craig was wrong. All right, guys, here we go. Flow zone. This is going to be for a tick treatment. Okay, guys, for tick treatments, understand this is synthetic grass. I'm not going to have a tick issue here unless they get dropped off by an animal. Now, the thing you want to do, let's pretend this was a path that an animal went through all the time. Those are areas you want to treat with ticks. So you want to go through here and you want to treat this until it's wet. So it doesn't have to be runoff like for mosquitoes. It doesn't have to be dripping off. It needs to be thoroughly wet. And you would just go through and you would treat this. Now, if you're going back on the lawn, back and forth on an area, a fan nozzle is a better option. I have this on Pinstream right now to just give you examples. But you would have a fan nozzle and you would just go back and forth like this, covering the area. Start at the furthest point and work your way out of there. And that's it with those tick treatments on the lawn areas and on the path of travel for the animals, pets, dogs, whatever. Now you have to get up into the shaded areas, like under trees, by wood piles, things like that. They hide in the shaded areas. So you got to cover that overgrown brush where they may be. But guys, if you need a granular version of the all-natural, a Centria granular is a fantastic option to not only cover lawns, but to disperse out in areas like that. But you have to do tick treatments. Boy, my mouth just had a tick issue. You have to do those until wet. So remember, mosquitoes dripping off, tick treatments until wet. Now, like I said in the beginning, you're going to reapply this as needed per the label, but in my opinion, it's going to be at least once a month. You got to cover your butt to keep those tick populations down so you or your loved ones don't get them. But guys, that's it, back and forth like that. Let me put this down. That's about it with these mosquito and these tick treatments. Sorry, I had to get that backpack off. Guys, if you have any questions, any comments, things I haven't talked about that you're curious, throw them in that comment section down below. I'm happy to answer those for you. Appreciate all the thumbs up out there, guys. Hopefully this gave you an idea how to keep those ticks, those mosquitoes down this year, because they're both actually going to be bad this year. But there are just a lot of reports about the ticks right now, guys. That's it, guys. Wrap this one up. Craig, howtopest.com.